Hello, my name is Neil, and welcome back to our series of online training videos. By now, you've completed the HIR and the HIPAA training. You'll need to complete the HIR and HIPAA training every year. Today, we'll be discussing employee deduction information and generating an invoice. AR Benefits keeps track of what employee deduction should be and the employer amount in the system. There are a couple of ways you can access this information. Deduction Preview Report provides you a preview of what changes have occurred affecting your next month's billing. Now, to view this report, open AR Benefits and click on the Accounting section on the left-hand side menu, and then click Deduction Preview Report. You would need to then select the group and search. This printable report can show you the amount that should be deducted from the employee and how much the employer amount is for that month. Do not pay using the deduction preview report, as this is only a preview and doesn't reflect any changes that could be made for the current month. Once someone enrolls or makes a change during the month, AR Benefits automatically generates a deduction change report, and you're sent a notice via email that will show you this information. This report will tell you how much to adjust, add, or delete for the member using their name and the last four of their Social Security number. This allows you to adjust the payroll and deduct the amount due from your employees. If you don't have an employee on your deduction summary report, don't just take the employee's word for it and start deducting premiums from their check. The employee may have intended to submit an election form via mail, fax, or the AR Benefits online portal, and it can't be processed until it's received at EBD with any required documentation. This might be a reason why your bill won't balance. Do not stop deducting when a member states that they've made a change until you receive a notification from EBD that the change has been approved. This will reduce the number of bank premiums that you have to collect. The invoices are generated automatically in AR Benefits on the first day of each new month from everyone active on your account on the last day of the previous month. These are the members who will appear in the new month's billing. The group invoice as of date is the invoice you will use to pay EBD. To access this invoice, open AR Benefits and you'll want to click on Accounting on the left-hand side and then select the Group Invoice as of date. You need to select your group or groups from this menu, and then you'll need to select the appropriate month's invoice date. You then search it and it will show you the total amount that is due from the school district. Then you'll need to export by name to get the correct billing amounts per member. When the spreadsheet opens, you can enter the deductions per employee, and the spreadsheet will calculate the differences for you. We can view that group invoice as of date here, and it will show you for each member what the FICA amount is calculated to be based on the amount due from the employee. Now, it will show you the employer match that does need to be remitted by the school district, and it will give you the amount that is due from the employee in the group right here. When the spreadsheet opens, you can enter the deductions per employee, and the spreadsheet will calculate the differences for you. So if you put in the correct amount, the employee clearly paid the $85.54, and the amount the school district paid, the $179. You'll get the difference that it's zero. However, if for any reason there's a deviation and, for example, you believe the correct amount to deduct was the $50.78, you'll then get the difference between what we show should have been paid for that member and what you did pay. And you can see that to reconcile your invoice. Thank you for joining me today for this training on employee deductions and generating an invoice for PSE HIRs. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send an email to Ask EBD or a task to EBD Billing.